Hi everyone, how you doing? Ron here with How Do I. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to do the Microsoft Excel sums function. So this is an addition function, so let's get into the video. So the first thing you want to do here is grab the row or the column of numbers that you want to add up. The next thing you want to do is highlight the first cell and then just left click and drag until the end. And there's two ways of doing this. I'm going to first start off with the old way, which is the basic way, is taking a look at the rows and columns. So as you can see, we've got, N10, which is here, followed by N11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So if you wanted to do a sum of all of these, you could come over to any cell where you want to display the data and click on equal and just highlight N and then click on the plus and then left click on the next box that you want, plus, click plus again, and the next box, and the next box, and the next box, and the next box, and we'll keep going until we get to the last one, and then we'll press enter. And that gives us our sum. So I want to show you the second way of actually looking at the sum is as you highlight and click all of the data within your row, you could look at the bottom right here. It actually shows the sum, which is equivalent to what you did over here at 137. So let's highlight that again. We could look at the sum, which is 137. Now, let's say you had a calculated amount here, and you knew that you made that sum function by left-clicking in each row and column. Now, if you wanted to actually look at the formula that you have, there's two ways of doing this. Is you come over to the formula window here and look at it here, or you could actually do from a Mac, you could do function F2 or the F2 key. And now you can see the data that makes up the sum in this window here. And you could see the colors. Green is here, so it's easy to follow. N13 is right here. And then you just press enter to get back out. Another handy feature here, when you highlight all of these cells here in this row, you could come down to the bottom and you could look at the sum. And you could also look at the other information like the count. So there's 9 cells that we're counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. The minimum number is 2, which is correct. And then the maximum number here is 99. As well as the sum here is 137. Okay. So the last part of this tutorial is actually showing you how to do the sum the easy way. So the first way you want to do this, highlight and left click your first number in the cell, click and drag down to the last, and you can see the Autosum button here, which you can press. I'm going to do a Command Z to undo, or you could come over here to formulas, press on formulas, and you'll see the Autosum here. So as everything is highlighted and I press the Autosum, it's going to populate the amount here. So let's do that. And it's 137. And as you can see, it displays the data differently. Equals sum bracket N10 to N18 bracket. So that's it for the video. Let's get into the next module.